Have you ever felt judged for just typing away on your laptop during a meeting? What if I told you there's another way that could enhance your learning and your retention and make you look like a rock star to your boss? Well, stick around and find out. Hey friends, I'm Joel Sellentine, and today we're going to talk about taking a step back from our screens and exploring the power of the good old-fashioned pen and paper when we're in a meeting. Studies have shown that writing notes by hand can help you remember information far better than just typing. And when you write notes by hand, you're more likely to process the information you write, which leads to a deeper understanding of what's actually going on. And without the distractions and notifications, you can stay focused on the meeting and the task at hand. How do you balance the analog and the digital in a meeting? This is what I'd like you to try. Instead of opening your laptop, grab a notepad, write down key points, questions, ideas, and feel free to just get creative. You might be surprised at how much more you remember. Once you've learned something, it's hard to let it go. Keep typing, keep scrolling, and also, don't forget, keep handwriting. We're not just using technology, we're leveraging it. We're not just attending meetings, we're contributing to them. And we're not just the future of the business world, we're actually shaping it. Until next time, stay savvy, my friends.